Hello everyone, in this short video I will demonstrate how to install codeblocks on Windows 10 operating system and start programming in C language for beginners. For that, first you have to download and install the codeblocks software. For that, go to Google and search for codeblocks download. Now you go to the first link that is appearing. It will take you to the download website of codeblocks. There you can see download binary release. Click on that and you will be presented with a list of binary software code blocks. In that you can download the last but one file, that is mingw 64-bit setup.exe, or if your operating system is 32-bit operating system, you can download this also. But most of the recent operating systems are 64-bit operating systems. You are recommended to download this. Two sources are available, FOSHub or source4.net. As of now, I am downloading it from FOSHub. The downloading will start automatically. Around 164 MB size is there. That will take a while for you based on the bandwidth of your internet connection. Okay. Once it is downloaded, you go to the download folder. I have already downloaded and kept it. I am going to that file. In your system's download folder, that is available. Downloads, you go, the setup file for codeblocks is available. You double click on that. It will ask for the permission to continue installation. Press yes. Now the installation process of codeblocks will begin. Agree to all those questions that are prompted. Agree to that. Press next, which you select the default options. Now the installation will start, and it will take a while based on the speed of your computer, maybe even 2-3 minutes to complete. Now that the installation is complete, I have a pretty high-end machine. Still, it took around 3 to 4 minutes to complete the installation. Now it is asking, do you want to continue run codeblocks now? But I'll say no for as of now. Let me finish the installation process and then we'll start. Now there is an icon created on the desktop. Either you can click here and start your codeblocks IDE, or you can search in the bottom tab and find the app icon for codeblocks. So let's start this. Codeblocks 20.03 is starting. This is the recent version available. Takes a while to start. Now there is a home screen startup page appearing. We can simply close it, or if you want to learn something from there, you can proceed. Now we'll see how to write your first C program and compile it. So create a empty file, save it as, say, hello world.c. You give some name, hw.c. Normally a C program is named with an extension or extension .c. Now it is saved as a blank file. Now I'll start typing my first program. My first program is a hello world program. My program is completed. I can compile this program by clicking this gear link. There are no errors and there are no warnings also. I can execute the program by clicking this. It prints the message hello world. Normally this happens. Compilation and execution is smooth. It is directly, the compiler is coming along with your codeblocks software, that is the mingw compiler, and everything goes very smooth and there is no problem. Sometimes there occurs some issue that uh, your program, even if you typed and saved it, when compiling it may not compile. In that case, what you can do is go to settings and select compiler, and you can see GNU GCC compiler is mentioned there. Still the compiler program may not be specified correctly. So click here and go to toolchain executables. Go to toolchain executables. See what is there in C compiler's place. So here it may not be correctly given. That may be the reason why your program is not compiling, if even if you have done other steps correctly. So in that case, what you can do is click here and select either gcc.exe or the one which is already there in my case, that is x86 64 w64 minw32 gcc.exe. So normal GCC also should do the job for you. As I am selecting GCC and pressing OK. Let me see whether it is working. Yeah, it is working. I'll change the program bit and I'll recompile. Done. So it is working for me. That is it for today. We will stop the demonstration here.